Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that affects millions of people worldwide: kidney health. You know me, I'm all about preventative medicine and taking control of your health. Well, your kidneys are a major part of that. Now, you might not think about your kidneys every day, but trust me, they're working hard behind the scenes. They're like the body's filtration system, removing waste and toxins from your blood. And when they're not functioning properly, it can lead to a whole host of health problems. We're going to uncover the 18 worst daily habits that can harm your kidneys, sometimes faster than you might think. Knowledge is power, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the information you need to protect these vital organs. So, whether you're a health enthusiast or just looking to make healthier choices, stick around because this information is crucial for everyone. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about a common culprit behind kidney damage: excessive salt intake. You see, your kidneys play a crucial role in regulating your blood pressure. When you consume too much salt, it disrupts this delicate balance. High sodium levels cause your body to retain water, increasing the volume of blood your kidneys have to filter. Over time, this constant strain on your kidneys can lead to hypertension, also known as high blood pressure. And if that wasn't enough, hypertension itself is a major risk factor for kidney disease. It damages the blood vessels in your kidneys, making it harder for them to do their job effectively. So, by cutting back on salt, you're not just doing your heart a favor, you're giving your kidneys a fighting chance. Next on our list is a habit that's surprisingly common: not drinking enough water. We all know that staying hydrated is important for our overall health, but it's especially crucial for our kidneys. Think of water as the lifeblood of your kidneys. Water helps your kidneys flush out waste products and toxins that can accumulate in your body. When you're dehydrated, your kidneys have to work harder to function properly, which can lead to a buildup of these harmful substances. Chronic dehydration increases your risk of developing kidney stones, which are hard deposits that can form in your kidneys and cause excruciating pain. And believe me, managing CKD since long, I can tell you that kidney stones are something you definitely want to avoid. We all reach for a painkiller now and then, whether it's for a headache, muscle soreness, or something more serious. But did you know that overusing certain painkillers, especially those known as NSAIDs, can actually harm your kidneys? NSAIDs, or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, are common over-the-counter medications like ibuprofen and naproxen. We use them for their pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory effects. However, these medications work by temporarily reducing blood flow to the kidneys, which over time can lead to kidney damage, especially if you already have existing kidney problems. The key takeaway here is to use painkillers responsibly. Always follow the recommended dosage instructions on the label, and don't use them for extended periods without consulting your doctor. There are many other ways to manage pain, such as applying heat or ice, gentle exercise, or alternative therapies like acupuncture. Remember, your kidneys play a vital role in keeping you healthy. They filter your blood, remove waste products, and regulate fluid balance. It's crucial to be mindful of habits that might be putting extra stress on these essential organs. So next time you reach for that pain reliever, consider if there are alternative ways to address your discomfort. Your kidneys will thank you for it. We all enjoy a sweet treat now and then, but consistently high sugar intake can spell trouble for your health, particularly for your kidneys. You see, when you consume too much sugar, your body has to work overtime to process it. This can lead to a condition called insulin resistance, where your cells don't respond properly to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. Over time, this resistance can develop into type 2 diabetes, a chronic condition that significantly increases your risk of kidney disease. High blood sugar levels damage the delicate blood vessels in your kidneys, making it difficult for them to filter waste products effectively. It's not just about cutting out sugary drinks and desserts. Be mindful of hidden sugars in processed foods, sauces, and even seemingly healthy options like yogurt or granola bars. Reading food labels carefully can help you make healthier choices. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is a marathon, not a sprint. Small, consistent changes in your diet and lifestyle can have a huge impact on your long-term health. So be kind to your kidneys and choose naturally sweet options like fruits whenever possible. We all know smoking is bad for our lungs and heart, but did you know it also wreaks havoc on your kidneys? It's true. Smoking damages blood vessels throughout your body, including the vital blood vessels in your kidneys. These blood vessels are responsible for delivering oxygen-rich blood to your kidneys so they can function properly. Smoking narrows and hardens these blood vessels, restricting blood flow and forcing your kidneys to work harder. Over time, this constant strain can lead to kidney damage and even kidney failure. And it's not just the smoker who's at risk. Exposure to secondhand smoke also poses significant dangers to kidney health. So, by quitting smoking, you're not only protecting yourself, but also safeguarding the well-being of those around you. If you're a smoker, quitting is one of the most impactful things you can do for your overall health, especially for your kidneys. Talk to your doctor about resources and support systems available to help you quit for good. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, not excessive alcohol consumption. Look, I'm not here to tell you to never enjoy a drink again, but it's important to understand how alcohol affects your body, especially your kidneys. You see, your kidneys are the filters of your body, working tirelessly to remove waste products and excess fluids. Alcohol throws a wrench in this process by directly damaging kidney cells and disrupting the delicate balance of water and electrolytes. When you drink too much alcohol, your kidneys can't function at their best. This can lead to a buildup of toxins in your body, which can cause further damage to your kidneys over time. Remember, moderation is key. If you're someone who enjoys a drink or two, be mindful of your intake, and make sure you're staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Your kidneys will thank you for it. We all know exercise is good for us, but did you know it directly impacts your kidney health? It's true. Living a sedentary lifestyle can seriously increase your risk of developing kidney disease. Here's why. When you don't move enough, you're more likely to become overweight or obese. This puts extra stress on your kidneys, making their job of filtering waste products much harder. Regular physical activity helps you maintain a healthy weight, lowers blood pressure, and improves blood sugar control. All crucial for keeping your kidneys in tip-top shape. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's brisk walking, dancing, swimming, or hitting the gym. Your kidneys, and the rest of your body, will thank you. This one might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people ignore the urge to go. Holding in your urine might seem harmless in the short term, but trust me, it can lead to some serious issues for your kidneys. When you hold your urine for extended periods, it creates a breeding ground for bacteria in your bladder. This can easily lead to urinary tract infections, UTIs, which, if left untreated, can travel up to your kidneys, causing infections and potentially even permanent damage. Listen to your body. When nature calls, answer it. Regularly emptying your bladder helps flush out bacteria and keeps your urinary tract healthy. And remember, staying hydrated is crucial. Drinking enough water throughout the day not only keeps you healthy overall, but also ensures you're producing enough urine to keep things flowing smoothly. Don't hold it in, your kidneys will thank you. We all know protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it plays a crucial role in a healthy diet. But did you know that overloading on protein can actually put a strain on your kidneys? It's true. When you eat more protein than your body needs, your kidneys have to work harder to filter out the waste products of protein metabolism. Over time, this extra workload can take a toll on your kidneys, especially if you already have any underlying kidney issues. Now, I'm not saying you need to go completely vegan. The key is moderation. Make sure you're getting enough protein for your individual needs, but don't go overboard. A balanced diet with a variety of nutrient-rich foods is always the best approach. Remember, listening to your body is key. If you're experiencing any unusual symptoms after increasing your protein intake, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor. We've all been there, a little sniffle here, a cough there. Sometimes we brush it off, hoping it will just go away. But when it comes to infections, especially urinary tract infections, UTIs, ignoring the signs can have serious consequences for your kidneys. UTIs happen when bacteria invade the urinary tract, and if left untreated, the infection can travel up to the kidneys, leading to a more serious condition called pyelonephritis. This can cause permanent kidney damage if not treated promptly. So, what are the signs you shouldn't ignore? Pain or burning during urination, frequent urination, cloudy or foul-smelling urine, and pain in the back or lower abdomen are all red flags. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's crucial to see a doctor right away. Early diagnosis and treatment are key to preventing complications and protecting your kidney health. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is often called the silent killer because it often has no symptoms. But what many people don't realize is that high blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidney disease. Here's why. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering your blood, and high blood pressure puts extra stress on the blood vessels in your kidneys. Over time, this can damage the delicate filtering units in your kidneys, leading to chronic kidney disease. The good news is that high blood pressure is manageable. Getting regular blood pressure checks, maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet low in sodium, and getting regular exercise are all essential for keeping your blood pressure in check. Remember, prevention is key. By making healthy lifestyle choices and monitoring your blood pressure, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing kidney problems in the future. Next, the overuse of antibiotics. Now, I can't stress enough how important antibiotics are when you have a bacterial infection. They're lifesavers, literally. But, and this is a big but, using them when they're not needed or using them incorrectly can actually backfire and hurt your kidneys. You see, some antibiotics are processed by the kidneys, and taking them too often or in high doses can put a lot of stress on these vital organs. This doesn't mean you should avoid antibiotics altogether when they're necessary. It's about using them responsibly. Always follow your doctor's instructions, complete the full course as prescribed, and don't pressure them for antibiotics if they say you don't need them. Remember, a healthy lifestyle and smart choices about medication are key to keeping your kidneys functioning at their best. We're talking about something we all need, but often don't get enough of: sleep. You might be surprised to learn that consistently skimping on sleep can actually harm your kidneys. You see, while you're catching those Z's, your body is hard at work repairing and regenerating tissues, including those in your kidneys. When you're sleep deprived, this essential repair process is disrupted, potentially leading to kidney damage over time. And it's not just about the kidneys. Chronic sleep deprivation weakens your immune system, increases your risk of high blood pressure and diabetes, all of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. So, how much sleep do you really need? Most adults need around 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Make sleep a priority, establish a regular sleep schedule, and create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you unwind. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Hey, and now let's talk about everyone's favorite pick-me-up: caffeine. Now I get it, that morning coffee or afternoon tea can be the boost you need. But like most things in life, moderation is key, especially when it comes to your kidneys. You see, caffeine is a diuretic. What does that mean? It makes you pee more frequently, which can lead to dehydration if you're not careful. And when you're dehydrated, your kidneys have to work harder to filter waste products from your blood. Over time, this constant strain from excessive caffeine intake can take a toll on your kidneys. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up caffeine entirely. Just be mindful of your intake. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you're consuming caffeinated beverages. And listen to your body. If you're feeling dehydrated or experiencing any other unusual symptoms, it's always a good idea to check in with your doctor. We often ignore subtle signs our body gives us, especially when it comes to our kidneys. But ignoring these signs can lead to bigger problems down the road. Remember, early detection is key for most health issues, and kidney problems are no exception. So, what are some of these signs you absolutely shouldn't ignore? Changes in your urination are a big one. Are you going more or less frequently, especially at night? Do you see blood in your urine or experience pain when you pee? Did you see fog in your urine? These are all potential red flags. Other signs can be more general, like persistent fatigue, swelling in your legs, ankles, or feet, unexplained back pain, or even itchy skin. No, I'm not saying these symptoms always mean kidney problems. They could indicate other things going on. But it's crucial to listen to your body and talk to your doctor if you notice any of these changes, especially if they persist. Early detection and treatment can make a huge difference in preventing long-term damage to your kidneys. We all know phosphorus is an essential mineral, right? It helps build strong bones and teeth and plays a vital role in energy production. But like many things in life, too much of a good thing can be bad, and phosphorus is no exception, especially for your kidneys. High phosphorus levels in your blood, especially if you already have kidney issues, can put a lot of stress on your kidneys. This can lead to a whole cascade of problems, including bone disease, heart disease, and even increased risk of death. So, where does all this excess phosphorus come from? While it's found naturally in many foods, the biggest culprits are often processed foods, red meat, dairy products, and even those dark-colored colas we all love. The key here is moderation, especially if you have any pre-existing kidney conditions. Talk to your doctor about your phosphorus intake, and they can help you determine if you need to make any adjustments to your diet. Remember, a balanced diet is key for overall health, including your kidneys. All right, let's talk about diabetes and how it relates to your kidneys. You see, your kidneys are these amazing filters, working tirelessly to remove waste products from your blood. But when you have diabetes, either type 1 or type 2, High blood sugar levels can really take a toll on these hardworking organs. Over time, consistently high blood sugar can damage the delicate blood vessels in your kidneys. This damage makes it harder for your kidneys to do their job effectively, potentially leading to a buildup of waste products in your blood. And trust me, you don't want that. Now, this damage can progress over time, and in some cases, it can even lead to kidney failure. That's why managing your diabetes is absolutely crucial for protecting your kidney health. This means keeping your blood sugar levels in check through a combination of diet, exercise, and medication as prescribed by your doctor. Remember, taking care of your diabetes isn't just about managing your blood sugar. It's about protecting your overall health, including those incredible kidneys. We've all been there. That occasional bout of constipation can be frustrating. But turning to laxatives too often? That's a habit you want to avoid. While they might seem like a quick fix, excessive use of laxatives can actually backfire and harm your kidneys. Here's the thing, many laxatives work by pulling water into your intestines to soften stool and make it easier to pass. Sounds harmless enough, right? But here's the catch. When you overuse laxatives, this constant drawing of water can lead to dehydration. And you know what else needs adequate hydration to function properly? You guessed it, your kidneys. But it doesn't stop there. Overuse of laxatives can mess with your electrolyte balance. Electrolytes are like tiny electrical conductors in our bodies that play a vital role in many bodily functions, including, you guessed it, kidney function. When these electrolytes are thrown out of whack, it can really stress your kidneys. So what's the takeaway here? If you're struggling with constipation, talk to your doctor. They can help identify the underlying cause and recommend safer, more sustainable solutions. And remember, when it comes to laxatives, less is often more. Your kidneys will thank you for it. If you're looking for more tips and meal ideas, check out A Beginner's Guide to Kidney-Friendly Nutrition. It's packed with simple strategies to make eating out and eating healthy easier. Link in the comment and bio. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about kidney health. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health tips and information, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And most importantly, take care of your kidneys. They do so much for you, so show them some love. Until next time, stay healthy.